My name is Ross Lertzman, and our practice is Arizona Canine Orthopedics and Sports Medicine. Personally, I've been practicing for over 30 years, so we've been in this location for almost 21. The process with hip replacement is roughly about a 3.5 month process from time of operation to complete recovery and return to function. In our practice, the first 30 or so days post-op is really quiet time after surgery. They're getting good rest while they heal. And then through months 2 and months 3, it's really a gradual increase in leash walking activity that we build up until about 3.5 months. We get a final x-ray to make sure things are looking well. And if they are, we allow them to be unrestricted at that point. We have participated in and taken advantage of now a lot of the advancements in instruments, implants, and technologies to make these operations better and better and better. We hope to do even more, and that means having better access to implant options here in hospital, better sales and support staff. So we're very excited about the new opportunities that we have.